Hello everybody, so I just wanted to show you something. I've literally just built this 3-page website, I suppose, using FamousAI on my phone. So you can see I've given it a lot of information, like my actual sales copy on the Resource Hub website, but it's built it all out. It's pulled through the right reviews, but not the right photos. So I'll take the photos out. And then it has all the different challenge workshops. So that one was the one about, that's just the homepage. And then you would select the website. Oh no, this is the website one. And then you can select the visual branding one, create a brand that stands out. Again, it's laid out exactly the same way. So nice and easy. Social media. So never run out of content ideas. So it's all there, which is really great. So if you click through, it takes you to the website. So that's the information I fed it, was the information on this page, and it created that website for me. All right, so guys, I want to show you how easy this is. Originally I was going to do 5, but I thought I'd just do 3 to start off with, which are free. There are on my resources.digital.com.au website. So I've given it all the information for each of the challenges, or the first 2, and then I snuck in the third one, and then I gave it instructions to start again, build a website with sales page for each, have funnels and bumps, but then I decided to just use the links I already have with the checkout, so we don't have to build the checkout. Pull the testimonials from the Google reviews on my main website, digital.com.au. It encountered some errors, so I gave it some screenshots of some testimonials and reviews, and then gave it instructions again to build me the sales page, and it came back and told me what it was going to do, what it was going to create, and then that's pretty much where it finished, by the looks of things. Yeah, that's pretty much where it finished, and then you preview it, and as you can see, it's all there. So, I mean, I can play around with that, make changes, do what I want to do, but if you have a look at, is it in here? It might be, so you get all the code as well. It might be actually in the project settings. Right, so this, you can see it's 7:25 now. So this started at 6:42 and it finished at 7:03. So within, what's that, 11 minutes? 11 minutes maybe? No, longer than that. 21 minutes. It had built a 3-page website for me that links through to the right pages. I got a custom URL. I'm still waiting for that domain, which is URL digital.ai. I don't think it's propagated yet because I've only just brought that domain. So at the moment it's not previewing there, and it is previewing here. Okay, so that is your fallback domain. And then you can show or hide the FamousAI badge, have your project visible or public, have people clone it, or you clone it, have project sharing, pin it to a white label. So if I wanted to create something that I was going to sell as a white label for people to customize, I could do that. And then if you're not using the project, put it in sleep mode so that it doesn't compute resources. All right, guys, that's pretty much how you do it. It's nice and easy. From your dashboard, new project, what you want to build, a online booking form calendar that links to my digital at gmail.com. And go. I spelled digital wrong. So as you can see, it waits for a little bit, does a little bit of thinking, computing, and then it spits out everything for us. So what has it told us? I'll build a sleek design agency website that showcases your expertise and attracts premium clients. Hero section with bold typography, animated background elements, and compelling tagline that positions you as digital transformation expert. Clean grid system featuring case studies in interactive cards and hovering animation revealing project details. Modern color palette combining deep navy, blah, 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 blah. Lots of different things. Baseline features, service, showcasing, portfolio, about section, client testimonials, footer. Let me start by creating a powerful hero section. So it gives us status updates as it goes, generating the image. You can't click on these or see anything about it yet. I just let it kind of run through, do what it needs to do. So I will try to speed this part of the video up if I can, or even chop it out. Okay, so it's writing some stuff. I did just hook in Calendly last night, so I'm probably going to use that in my schools. But this might be a way that I can book people online using my website, which would be amazing. Or an app, even. Okay, so it's done everything that it wanted to do. Tell me what it's done, and let's preview. Well, that's not really that great. You can't see that white writing, so I'll redo that as the hero shot. Probably get it into the digital colours, but it talks about everything. Digital marketing, brand design, optimization. Not the right people. So I'd have to do some updates to this. But it's not bad for however long that just took us. So if I was to say, go back and preview it here as well. If we were to publish that, oh, here we go. Yeah, add own domain. And this is going to be on the domain and not a new page for each project, which might be a bit annoying. Okay, so I can't do two. That's okay, we can look at it here. Anyway, I can use that as a link. So it's all there. Book consultation. It's got all the details that you want. Alright, view services. Takes you down to the page there. So yeah, I mean, I would update some of this detail, which shouldn't be too hard to do. It should just be a matter of chatting that. When you're back in here, just doing the updates there, or even if I needed to change the code specifically, I could do that. So I don't know what this is. Oh, that's to download the code. So that's cool. So if I, Yep, we've already published. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what you can do with this. There is a lot of different things that you can do: task manager, weather app, movie database, language learning. Yeah, so they've got some good videos. I'll put a link, and yeah, enjoy, have some fun. I mean, it's not cheap, it's not expensive, but I think I paid $49 a month for this trial. So that's US too. And then I did have to buy my domain as well. So you don't have to have your own domain. I just wanted to do it because I thought it would be fun. All right, guys. And I'm an impulse buyer.